In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view code in Elementor. If you've ever wanted to dive deeper into the world of web design, understanding how Elementor structures its code on a web page is a fantastic place to start. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, curious about how a particular style is applied, or just looking to enhance your coding skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To begin your journey into the wonders of web design code, you'll first need to open up your favorite web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome for this demonstration because its developer tools are robust and user-friendly. On the Elementor designed page that you're curious about, right-click anywhere. If you're using Chrome, you'll select Inspect, while other browsers might offer an option like View Source. This action will open up the browser's Developer Tools panel, typically at the bottom or on the side of your screen. Once you've accessed those tools, you'll find yourself looking at the raw materials that make up the web page as seen in your browser. This consists of the HTML, the backbone of the web, those vital CSS classes that style your content, IDs that give unique identities to elements, inline styles that add bespoke flair, and all sorts of widget structures. The detailed visibility you have into these components allows you to understand exactly how Elementor has rendered everything on the page. A fascinating feature of Chrome's developer tools, which I'll highlight next, is the ability to hover over elements in this interface. You can simply take your mouse and move it around inside the panel, and you'll see the corresponding elements light up on the web page itself. This interactivity shows you what's rendered and gives you full visibility of their styles and computed properties. It's an amazing way to see the magic behind the curtain. Taking advantage of these tools, you can analyze specific parts of a page. If you're interested in how specific styling is achieved, you can inspect the CSS rules that are applied. You can even modify them in real time to see how things change. Of course, these changes are only for your viewing and testing in the developer tools and won't be permanent. They're perfect for experimenting with new ideas without committing them to a live site. In conclusion, having the ability to view code in Elementor offers a myriad of opportunities for exploration and learning. With a bit of curiosity and the powerful tools accessible right in your browser, you'll be well equipped to decode the layers that make up your web page. Happy coding, and I hope you find this process as fascinating and insightful as I do. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might find it helpful.